Right, so today we've got the Shark Skwal Cup Reading Matte KVB helmet to unbox. Now, before we begin, just a massive shout out to J&S Accessories for providing this lid for us today. Without them, none of this would be possible, so thank you. Now, let's get into it. But before we begin, can I just say, the graphics on this look very nice. I think Shark have done a really good job with the Skwal Cup graphics on the box there. It's already kind of got this race aesthetic to it. Now, let's open the box and get into it. We have this lovely little cardboard cutout that will protect the helmet from moving around. We have a clear helmet visor as well as a black one which is currently on the helmet, which we're going to pop to one side there. We have the Muck Off collaboration stickers and also a Pinlock 70 fog resistant lens, which is very, very nice to include in the box. Just going to put the accessories back away and move this out of the way. And here we are, the helmet. Now, first things first is it comes with this nice navy blue helmet cover with the lovely white shark logo on it as well, which is a nice contrast. So, taking it out of this cover, we will see the helmet itself. Oh, look at that. Wow. Can I just say, that is nice. It is so aggressive. Oh, I love this spoiler. Look at that. Oh, all right. All right, Shark. All right. Nice. Now, the helmet itself does have a bunch of different variations with different color schemes going on, but this is the Muck-Off collaboration one. And, oh, wow. It kind of looks like you're going at like crazy speeds and you've hit some kind of paint and it's just splattered across your helmet like that. And that pink, I wasn't sure whether or not I'd be a fan of it, but seeing it in person is like this neon kind of like glowy kind of vibe to it. And I think it looks really, really cool. And then with that black visor as well, it just looks mean. Now, looking at the decals further, we've got the Muck-Off graphics on there and all over the helmet. And then you've got the shark logo jotted around as well on the sides, back and front, which gives it a very kind of like racing-esque kind of vibe to it, I think. Now, what's nice as well is it already comes pinlock ready. So that being included in the box means that you can just attach that straight onto the visor without any trouble whatsoever, which is very, very handy. Now, a few noticeable key points is the vents are nice and easy to get to as well. It's very kind of glove friendly and it's got little notches around it there to easily get to, including the sun visor, which is nicely positioned on the top of the helmet. And then again, it's just so nice and aggressive. Look at that. Now, this spoiler is kind of reminiscent of the newer motorcycles with the kind of cool looking pillion seat with the kind of hole through the middle. And I think that is very, very stylish. Now, this helmet itself does meet the European standard of ECE 22.06. It is the newer European standard, which is nice. Now, just a side note as well, it does also have a bunch of different visors that you can get in multiple different colors, which is very nice to have as a optional extra. Before we put the helmet on, can I just say the inside of the helmet as well has a nice red graphic on the cheek pads, as well as a red graphic on the inner lining too. It also comes with the double D-ring strap, which is the motorbike standard for helmets. Now, putting the helmet on, it is nice and snug. Now, we are rocking a suede Alvotech material on the cheek pads, which does feel very nice on your cheeks, and this fits my head really nicely. Now, each person is different with this, with different head shapes, so I do recommend if you are interested in a helmet of any sort, go in store, try it out for yourself, put it on, walk around the store for 5-10 minutes. If you feel pressure hotspots or a headache, it's most likely too small for you. Likewise, if it's too loose, you will notice that it's moving around too much and it's not taking your head with you when you pull it. and you want to make sure that it is definitely the right fit, because if you are in a crash, you want to make sure your head is protected. Now, double D-ring strap is nice and easy to just apply like so. Now, if you are brand new to motorcycles and you're just buying your first helmet, just be careful that you have set this up correctly. You do not want it to be too loose like this. This is quite loose where it might go over my cheek like so. And in a crash, you want to make sure your helmet is staying on your head. Now, looking at the sun visor, it is super easy to maneuver, and it's got this kind of like bluey tint to it, which looks very aesthetically pleasing, if I do say so myself. And with the lip on the visor itself, it's just convenient to grab with your gloves on. Now, you will notice here that it is quite stiff, and that is what you want, because you don't want it to be up whilst you're riding and accidentally falling down if you do need it up for whatever reason. Now, some helmets out there, you'll notice that people throw their head down and the visor will snap shut. And whilst it does look cool, that is not convenient whatsoever, because if you need it up, it will just be slowly falling down with the bumps. So you do not want that. I've had that in the past. That is not handy when you need it up, believe me. And there we are. That is so nice and aggressive. Look at that. Oh, now, just a side note before we wrap up, this is Center for Shark ready as well, which means you can talk to your friends nice and easily with the Center kit, which is, again, an optional extra. But it is nice to know that there is a helmet that is already kind of Center ready for you to go from the get-go there. Now, like I said before, this comes in multiple different colors. So if you're not too fond of the paint splatter muck-off design, then you've got a lot of different ones to choose from if you like the aesthetically pleasing spoiler. Oh, with it being track inspired, I think just looks nice, you know? So yeah, there is multiple different colors. If you like the style, but you're not fond of the paint work, there is different ones out there available. So check them out. And that's it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think of the helmet in the comments below. And a massive shout out again to J&S Accessories for providing this lid. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.